So glad you can make it. What are we here for? Well, you know the new mission you and your men are going on? Well, just for that, you have new armor. Open door. Go check it out. New helmets, new armor, and everything. This is some nice stuff. Huh. I like it too. We should better get going. Alright, man. Go, go, go! Alright, man. Move out! Drop in! Hatch? Sir! There's a hatch! Alright, let's get out of here. Go, go, go! Oh, whoa. Where are we? Commander Diamond! Commander Diamond, are you okay? Oh, sir, you're finally awake. How long was I out? Only a few hours. Wow, really, it felt longer than that. Wait, did you hear that? Wait, sir, hear what? Sir, what? Hear what? Just put your helmet on. Alright. Now what? Take this. Whoa, okay. Get ready. For, what? That! Do you see why now? Yeah. I understand. We should probably get going. I agree with that.